Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today we have an interesting recipe for you to make at the comfort of your home. So we are making cocoa butter cookies. As simple as it is, keep on watching to see how it goes. And before you continue, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. We have so many other videos for you to watch. Share this video and other videos with your family and friends, and let's get right into it. So the first thing you will need is 1 cup of butter. Make sure it's softened or at room temperature. A half cup of powdered sugar or icing sugar. Then what you want to do to this is just beat it up or mix it up until it's white in color, or the yellow has become really pale. The yellow from the butter has become really pale. That's when you will know it's perfectly mixed. This will take about 10 minutes of mixing, so be prepared to be patient with yourself and with your butter, and it will become also fluffy like this. Then the next step you want to do is add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Make sure you add a bit at a time as you mix, just to ensure the mixing is even and all the flour has been incorporated in the butter. After some time of mixing, you will realize the dough has become crumbly. So from this point, just go on with your hand and mix this up to a fine dough that is well combined. Then what you want to do after that is just wrap the dough up with some cling film and pop it up in the fridge for about 5 minutes. So after the 5 minutes, our dough will have hardened a bit. So what you want to do is just divide this into 2, and one of the doughs you'll add some cocoa powder just to give the cocoa flavor and the brown color. Then set it aside. Then to the other dough without cocoa powder, you will just roll it out flat and use a cookie cutter if you have any, or any other thing that you can use to make your cookies, and cut through the flat laid dough just to get the cookie shapes that you want. Then you will take the excess dough from this, spread it flat, then take the cocoa dough, spread it on top of the dough that we remained with from this. Then you want to spread it out as flat as you can, then roll them together just to give out the swirly effect. Then what you want to do is just cover this up with some cling film, as you can see here. Then pop this up in the fridge for about 10 minutes. So this is about 10 minutes. You can see the dough is well hardened, so you can cut through easily when the dough is like this. So you just want to cut about a half a centimeter thick, just to make your cookies a bit biteable, so that you can have all those flavor in your mouth. You can see the swirly effect has come out perfectly because we added the cocoa dough. So what you want to do next after this is just lay this on your baking trays and bake them up at 180 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are crunchy and brown at the top. So that's it, guys. That's how easy it is to make cookies at home with the very simple ingredients that you can easily get, and very delicious outcomes. So do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Kindly go back and subscribe. Watch all those other videos that we have for you. Share this video if you enjoyed it. Give it a like and leave a comment. Give us suggestions, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.